Hi, my name is Antonio, and I'm the Membership Coordinator of Twig Logistics Network. We all know that Twig is very exclusive, and this is one of our main differentials. But what makes us so exclusive and reliable as a group? As we have a very low amount of members per country, it's common that we have many agents from a designated location intending to join Twig at the same time. So, we've established some strict conditions to become a Twig member, and all the companies must fill these conditions out. And how do we make sure our members are reliable and trustworthy? We request some useful information from the agents, so this special team performs this complete analysis. Before we start the selection process, we have two mandatory rules. The company should be at least a year old and has its own active website. So, let's go over the steps. Step 1. Proof of eligibility. The agents send us the license and registration that allows their company to work as a freight forwarder in their country. We use this to ensure that the company is licensed in the foreign trade field. Note, certificates are taken a lot in consideration. Step 2. Infrastructure check. The environment that the employees work in, as well as the infrastructure of the offices and warehouses, are very important to us. We request some pictures of your company's infrastructure to check if your facilities are compatible with our group's quality standards. Step 3. Partner recommendation. We believe that no one is better to give us a real perspective of your services than your current partner. So, you send us the contact details of two forwarding partners of yours. Of course, they cannot be from your country, so we can get their feedback of the real experience they had when working with you. The contact details should include company name, each country, contact name, and of course, the email address. Step 4. Filling in your Twig profile. Complete your Twig profile with the main information of your company. Once you are accepted in Twig, this information will be available to all the other Twig members in our internal area. With all this info and steps, we have enough information to perform this complete background check, and the result usually takes a few days to be released. If you are interested in becoming a member, please get in touch and we'll be more than glad to give you all the details about Twig and our selection process. Be part of our Twig family to enjoy all the possibilities.